everyone, and we are the Baby Boys. And today we are going to present the simple compound machine.
What simple machines are combined? Lever. The long stick acts as a lever, allowing the user to apply force from the ground. Wedge. The sickle blade is a wedge that cuts the coconut stem. Where is translational motion? Translational motions happen when the stick in sickle moves upward, downward, and sideward towards the coconut. Where is rotational motion? Rotational motions occurs when the harvester is twisted or swung so the carbial sickle rotates around the coconut stem to cut it. Where is your design impatience? It allows people to harvest their coconuts without climbing the tree, making harvester safer, faster, and requiring less effort.